Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find DLCs for a certain game on a Nintendo Switch 2. In order to do it, first click on the game once, just highlight it, and then go to Options. Now go to Nintendo eShop here. Select the account you want to use Nintendo eShop with. I think I may need to quickly verify it using my mobile device. Okay, now it should be verified. And you can simply scroll down. Then if a game has DLC, it will be listed in the downloadable content. You can view the whole list. There's 25 items for this game. I think that's quite a lot. And some of them are free download, so that's quite great. Now if I go back, I also see bundles. And bundles may have a better price, maybe for getting a few DLCs at once. Like in this case, this bundle has both the game as well as a few DLCs, which is quite great because you can see that if purchased individually, it would have a pretty much higher price than the bundle. So that's also great, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.